Hello and welcome to this short tutorial where I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your new plugin for social proof. This plugin will help you to add the social proof to your posts, to your pages, wherever you want on your website. And it's also very helpful because it will allow you to gather social proof from your visitors, customers, or subscribers. So now you probably have downloaded already the plugin on your computer, and what I want you to do is go on your WordPress website where you want to use this plugin and where you want to insert the social proof. Basically log into your administrator dashboard, and the first thing that you will see is this page here, okay, the administrator dashboard. And what we will do at this moment, we want to install the plugin, okay. So first things first, go in the left side menu, you will have a section which is called plugins. Click on that plugin section in the menu. This new window will open for you. Press on this button, add new. And now a new window opens and you will have another button here, upload plugin. Press on that button. Now you will have a button which says choose file, okay. Basically now you have to select the plugin that you have downloaded on your computer and open it here, okay. Now let me check my address where I keep my plugins. Okay, let me check for this one because I have a lot of them here. Okay, the social proof one. Press the button open and then press install now. Bear with me for a couple of seconds till it gets installed on the WordPress platform. And now it's done. Now what you have to do is click on this plugin, on this button, activate plugin. Okay, and as you can see here, our new plugin appears and it's activated. Okay, now if you look in the left side menu, above the appearance option, we have the new plugin, the social proof plugin. Okay, now first things first, how does our plugin works? Well, what you have to do first time, I mean, it depends on the complexity of your website. What you have to do for the first time, okay, set the categories for your social proof. Maybe you want to, I don't know, to organize your social proof that you will get from your users and from your visitors on different categories. You can do that, or maybe you don't want to organize them at all. It depends on the complexity of your website and what you want to do. But just in case, so you know that, I think the first thing that you want to do is organize these categories here. Okay, create the categories that you want. Let's say test 3. Okay, you can see that I've already created developer and test 2. Let's say test 3. You can even have subcategories, but I don't think that will be the case. You just add a new category and that is it. Okay, after you have all your categories here all set and done, what you want to do is gather social proof from your website, right? So there's two ways of adding social proof. One way is to add it manually, so you can do it by yourself. Just you have this option here, add social proof. You just put in the name, you add an image for this person. Okay, you enter the company name, the position, the company website, email address, how many stars this person gave to your service, the message, okay, description. You can then select a category here and you can publish their social proof. So this piece of social proof will be approved manually by you and created manually by you, and you publish, and when you will look in all social proof, you will see the new social proof. Okay, another way to create social proof, or basically to gather your social proof, is to go to the settings section. Okay, and you see that you have a submission form here. Okay, and basically what you want to do is here in this part, you want to check all these boxes that you want people to fill in when you want to gather social proof from them. For example, you want them to give you your name, you check this box. You want them to give you their company name, you check this box. You want them to give you the rating, you check this box. You want them to give you an image, you check this box. Okay, you want to insert a custom CSS, you put the CSS here. Okay, then you press save changes, and what you want to do right now is copy this code from here, copy, and create a page, or you want to insert this form through which you gather social proof wherever you want on your website. Maybe you want to insert it in, I don't know, every article or every page that you create, or I don't know. Okay, what you have to do is go, for example, in the post section, let's check out some posts here. And for example, let's take this one, crowdsourced brand content, this article, press the edit button. And for example, let's say that we want to put this social proof form, so basically where people to fill in the social proof form at the end of the article. Okay, so you just paste the code here, you press the button update, and now let me show you what happens. Okay, let's preview our changes, and this is it. Okay, obviously it would be recommended for you to put a title here, like if you have 1 minute of spare time, please fill in our feedback form or something like that. Okay, and basically you can fill in the form here, and then the user press the button save, and it will go in let me show you here, in all social proof. Okay, and it will be in draft mode, and you will have to edit it and publish it. Okay, if you like the social proof or not, obviously. Okay, this is an advantage that is in draft mode because it's not pre-approved automatically. Okay, now this is how you gather the social proof, so you can insert that code into posts, pages, absolutely everything. Now, how do you create the actual social proof that you will display on a page on your website? Okay, so you gather it, you have all the social proof here. Now, how do you effectively use it? Okay, what you want to do is go in this section here in your plugin, create short code. Okay, and first things first, you will see that you have 4 steps through which you have to go here, and it will generate another code here that you will obviously copy, and then you can insert it in your post, in your pages, wherever you want the social proof to be displayed. Okay, so the general settings, what type of social proof do you want? Do you want for the all categories or from a specific category, like let's say developer only? Okay, so only people with social proof included in the developer category, but we want all category. Okay, how many social proof do you want to have displayed? And let's say that we want 2. Okay, which you want to be the order, okay, of the social proof, the title, the date when they added, let's say the date. Do you want it to be ascending or descending, the order? Okay, now you have filled this in. You can see that we have 2 examples here. This was the first one, this is the second one. Okay, and here you have like a preview box, right? Here basically you will see the images, but we don't have any images at the moment. Then you have to select the layout. Okay, you have different theme styles, style 1, let's see, style 2, style 3. Okay, so you choose a style that you like. You can see that is changed. You select the layout. You want it grid, you want it like a list, maybe you want it like a carousel. Okay, and for the carousel you have different also settings, like the carousel skin. Okay, different effects and animations, mode, autoplay, and stuff like that. Carousel items per view, single item. Okay, so you can basically you can set different animations, transitions here. You just have to play a little bit around with this and you will get the hang of it. Okay, the autoplay speed and stuff like that. Okay, let's say other layout, isotope. Okay, and it will be like this one. So you have different options. Just select a layout that it's fitted for you. You can see that it will be displayed, the social proof will be displayed differently accordingly to the device that your viewer will have, like for desktop, tablet, or mobile. The bottom theme, maybe you want it dark. Okay, you can see that it's changed, or light. The filter position, right. Okay, you can change the position and so on. Okay, but let's choose the grid one. I like the grid one. It's the simplest and the greatest. Okay, so we have styles, we have different layouts. After we are done with this, we go to the next step, which is style. Okay, description background mode. So the description background mode is basically the background of the text here, where basically the people left a message, and you can change it. For example, let's make it yellow. Okay, this is how it will look like. And you can also change the padding, the border style. You can hide images, okay, from people who left you a message, or you can leave them. You can have an image background if you want to. Okay, and you have different options here as well. Okay, so basically you can play around with these options as well to see exactly how it looks like in the preview box, which is pretty cool. Okay, so this is what you do in the style section. Now you also have the typography section where you change how this text is displayed here. For example, the proof name, maybe you want to change it to Abel. Okay, you can see that it has been changed automatically, and that's how it works for this one. This one, I think it's the position, right? Is the position? No, the position is here. Okay, and let's see. So we have for proof, for position, and for let's say proof font size. Okay, this is the one, the proof font. Okay, let's change it. Okay, you can see that it changed it automatically. Okay, and this is how it works. Okay, after you are done with the typography, all you have to do is copy this piece of code. Okay, go into a post, for example. Let me select a post here. Let's say that it's data-driven marketing campaigns, edit. We want to add the social proof at the end. We will add it here at the end of the article. We press the update button. Okay, we press the preview changes button. And here it is, guys, our social proof. Pretty cool, right? I mean, I really like it very much. And for those of you who don't know how powerful social proof is, actually social proof is one of the most important factors when somebody buys something. Okay, and it's a buying decisional factor, so it's very, very important. That's why I think this plugin, it's extremely helpful for you, especially if you want to sell products, services, and stuff like that on your website. Okay, that's it, guys. This is how this plugin works. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this will be helpful for you. I'm 100% sure that if you will use this on your website and you will gather social proof and display your social proof, you will increase your conversions very, very much on your website. So make most out of this plugin because it's a very, very good plugin with a lot of options. And again, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in our next videos with our newest plugins. Thank you very much, and bye bye for now. It was Sorin here.